Look, Ham, we have a nice toy for you.
I think I am through the hole, sir. You want to play?
Yes, Boo, yeah.
Let's go play. Come on, Devin and I like to play.
We'll run back and forth with you.
No, it's really.
Oh, we roll it back and forth.
I can go pretty far.
Oh, back up, you mean?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can go that far.
Yeah, you can.
How you guys doing today? Hi, Miss Amanda. You doing good today? I am going to be feeding Andre, though, his meds. And Andre is typically a champ when it comes to this, as I'm sure a lot of you who watch normally know. Got some ground turkey, some chicken thighs, or turkey breast, some mush. I got all the goods. I got all the goods, Mr. Dre. I just need to separate these two. Oh, they're already separated. Wonderful. Hi, Mr. Dre. Hi, Dre. How you doing today? You feeling alright? I am going to put his meds in the mush first, just to get those out of the way. Here you go, mister. Here, Dre. Meatball. Nice. Meatball, dude. Make sure you eat that, though. Okay, good. I like it. I like it. How about a piece of turkey? Where are you going? Dude, come back. Andre, right here. Look at this turkey. See? Nice job. Here's a piece of chicken breast. There you go. Look over here. Nice. Now let's switch back to some mush. Hey, Dre. Dude. Where are you going? Andre. Andre. Hey, bud. Mr. Dre, I have a nice meatball right here for you, dude. Come here. Come on, Mr. Dre. Look. Nice meatball. Oh, that was a little mess up. You're good, though. Just gotta bear with me. Piece of turkey. Nope. Let's see if I open up this ground turkey. Maybe he'll want some of that. Look. Oh yeah, he sees this. He knows what this is. Here you go, Dre. Look. See, that's the good stuff. It's like turkey paste. So it's very, very ground turkey. You gonna eat the mush off the ground? No? Okay. Nice. Let's try the mush again. Oh wait, come back. I didn't mean it. We can try chicken again, or turkey. Are you not as hungry as normal? It's like you're thinking about the bites. Look. Andre, look. Nice ball of turkey. Right here for you. Nice work, dude. Killing it. I just have a little bit of ground turkey left. Not a whole bunch. So many chicken X-ray. All the necks. There you go. I even have some more. Crunch, crunch. He's really enjoying these chicken necks. It's like he's not even taking a breath. Here you go, Dre. Look at this. You're killing it, dude. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. It's good stuff, dude. It's good. It's very tasty. It's like, dude, that is not a chicken neck. Yeah, I think I'm out of those. I have a little bit of mush. If you want some of that, Dre. Look at this meatball. Nice work. Could probably do another meatball, maybe another half a meatball. Here you go. Open wide. Just open wide. Oh, that's not gonna do it. There you go. All right, last piece. And that's pretty much all that Andre didn't eat, apart from one meatball. Are you doing good, Mr. Tut? How's that food? You ate all your mush. I am thoroughly surprised. And now he's gone. Okay. Hi, Boo Boo.
Honey Bat.
Can you go push him over here?
Hi.
Can you go push your boyfriend? Tell him to come over. Cammy?
Oh, Cameron, I got your donuts here.
Can you come over here, Mr. Cam?
Hey.
We have your toy. We have your very favorite toy.
Trying to like
Bite it through the wire.
Yeah, then he would get mad because he couldn't get it.
That's
So he
hilarious.
started snarling. I was like, food? He was like, yes! Yes, I will take your food.
Give me the food.
Hey.
Look, Cam, we have a nice toy for you.
I think I am through the hole, sir. You want to play?
Yes, Boo,
You
yeah.
can go play. Come on, Devin and I like to play.
We'll run back and forth with you.
No,
Oh, we roll it back and forth.
I can go pretty far.
Oh, back up, you mean?
Yeah,
I don't know if I can go that far.
yeah, you can. Looky!
Cammy, look.
We're having so much fun.
Failure.
I'll go on this side.
Come on, Cammy. Come this way.
Who's watching? Who's watching?
Cammy, come on.
I feel like that would have been really good.
Come on, Cam. Look at this donut.
You're getting like really nauseous.
I'm trying to figure. I was trying to do it like you.
I was trying to do it like
That's why I went like
Yeah,
this.
let's fun this
I was
way.
like, she's doing that. Maybe I should try it this way.
Let's go like the long way.
Mr. Cam, look at this nice donut. It's all yellow and bitten up
I
from
wish
you.
it had sprinkles.
Cammy, look. Oh my goodness, look at it, Cam. Look at it.
It's so much fun.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's a shitty one.
Look, Cam, look. Ready? See it? You see it? And come here. No.
Now we're getting fancy. We're getting so fancy.
The things we do for you, Mr. Cam. The things we do.
But you're smiling. So
I mean, I'm having fun.
that's not bad.
I'm not complaining. We will try anything to get you to come over, Mr. Cam. This is your favorite toy.
I'm getting dirt in my shoes.
Look, Cam. Yeah, look at it. Woo! Oh.
Let's see. Let's go a little further and see how it's going.
Come on, Mr. Cam. Come and get it. Woo! Come on, Cammy. That was a fail. Look at his donut, Cam.
Yesterday, when Linda and I were doing this, he went over to the beach and like hit it.
The other donut? This one's crap. Come on, Cam. Come on, dude. Come this way.
Yummy! We can only have so much fun, and then we get hot.
And then we get hot and sweaty.
We run out of time. I feel like I'm like getting exercise.
I mean, I'm sweating, so yeah, I would agree.
Hey,
Cam. Come on, bud. Just come play with the donut. We just want to give you a little bit of food. Or a lot, you know, either one. Boo's just like, what are you doing? Give me the food.
you're lying.
Do you think she realizes we're trying to just get him? She must, right?
I think she just like people watches like it's happening.
She's getting her enjoyment for the day. Watch the people do crazy things.
And then she says, I hope I get snacks. I hope I get the snacks. Hi.
I promise, Boo, if you go get him, I'll give you lots of snacks.
Ducky.
It's a little treat.
You want little duckies?
Here's a piece of duck. She's like, yes.
What's that?
What is that?
Weird, she said.
I know, I gave her a piece of liver one day and she was very confused. She's like, what is this? But that is where we are going to wrap up today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, as well as thank you, Emily, for leaving a nice comment on the last video. Much appreciated. If you do want to get in the shoutouts just like Emily, all you have to do is leave a nice comment down below or follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and you get a shout out for those as well. Again, thank you all so much for watching. As well, like the video, turn on those post notifications, make sure you're subscribed, and I hope to see you all in the next one. That's
When he
hilarious.
started snarling, I was like, food? He was like, yes! Yes, I will take your food.
Give me the food.